Good morning. It is October 26th. It is 11:59, so I'm not wrong on the morning part by a minute. Oh, we slept in a little bit today. Went and tried to upload videos 2 and 3, but we have terrible internet here. And I went to where I had 5G plus, about 15 minutes away, and it was going to take hours. So when I head to work tomorrow, I think I will use the 5G that's there and just leave my phone in the car for 8 hours to upload it, because I'm not going to use my work's Wi-Fi to do non-work related items. But that was a long rant of what I did this morning. Oh yeah, and we got Starbucks. But today, first and foremost, I need to set my mom up with a new chain on her chainsaw. She bought half of the second load of firewood that we got. And then I need to make a premix. I'm going to fuel it up for her, put some oil in it, just essentially get it completely ready for her. And I'm going to need a fuel mix anyway later today. But then after that, I'm going to finish that log pile. I have 2 more logs to cut, and then however many pieces of that log, of those logs, plus the ones that are already out there, that I will need to chop up into quarters. Quarters, that's the word I'm looking for. Quarter. My mom's chainsaw, John Sered, they don't make them like this anymore. It's a good saw. She wants to start getting some firewood ready for this winter. Days are getting shorter here. By the time she gets home from work, it's almost dark. So she needs to have wood out there ready to be accepted by the wood splitter. And I feel like this is not moving. That's why I hate this tool. And are you actually moving? Yeah. It's like I need a little screwdriver. Engineer, why did you put this here? Or am I just being silly and putting the chain on wrong? Man, I don't feel like it's moving. Okay, it's moving. There. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. And then get that wood obviously out to our splitting pile. And probably put the rototiller on, because we're going to plant garlic sometime this week. And then that will help me get access to the mower, because I'm going to mow down some blueberries. Yeah, we'll just see what we can get to today. Now that it's after 12 p.m. already. I don't know how much longer I want to work, but I know I need to get rid of that log pile. That's not the right one. Now it's way too loose. Yeah, the saw runs like crazy, but I don't really care for changing out chains and tightening chains on it. Steel design is substantially way easier than what this is. Yeah, something doesn't feel right. I was questioning the last time we ran this if we bent her bar when they got it stuck a couple weeks ago. And it just, I don't know, seems off. And now it's loosey. This doesn't seem smooth. Yeah, like it's gonna bind up. Give it a shot. Doesn't feel right. We got gas. Got some gas. Still make a mix. Use these little steel pre-mixers. She likes to use pre-mixed gas. I don't like it. It's not that I don't trust it. I just prefer this for some reason. Boop, 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 boop. Got a wreck gas or 90 octane. Not sure if I actually have a whole gallon or not. Well, kind of looking back at it, hopefully I have enough for the this and some left over for the log splitter. And as I'm going here, I feel like I'm going to be a little shy of both. It's about 1 gallon right there. Got a little bit left. A log splitter doesn't take a boatload of gas, but it's probably not very long. Dang it. There's time gone. Because I'm going to have to drive. Let's go get more. Give this a good mix. This thing is pretty reliable though. I bet I get it started in 3 pulls and it hasn't ran in well over a week. And it's about 45 degrees out right now. Maybe a little bit warmer in the barn. It's not heated, but just might not got as cold as what it did out here. But I'm still always been impressed by how well this thing fires up. Let's see. That's still the case. So 1 pull, 2 pull, 3 pull, oh, 4 pull, 5 pull, 5 pull, not bad. Yeah, see, something's not right. The season's right up. It's got a new chain on it. I think the bar might be. I think the bar might be messed up. Yeah, I don't know. Frustrating because it's not my saw. So now I just wasted 20 minutes. Yeah, 17 minutes. Not wasted, that's the wrong way of looking at it, but 20 minutes troubleshooting something that's going to help me 0 when it comes to getting work. So yeah, okay, so it's the second I pivoted it like that, it's back to being spinning. I think I found a replacement bar, ordered it, paid a boatload of money to get it shipped faster, but we'll see if it comes. So I guess that means what I have to do is get my saw out there. Like I kind of said, get cut up. Oh, you didn't follow. Did you hit your endpoint limits? You followed back. Yeah, get it cut up and get going. Ugh, fudge. All right. Was able to find a replacement model, thanks for ChatGPT, for the exact model of John Surratt she has. Because I don't believe there is a John Surratt brand anymore per se as we know it. There is Husqvarna. I think Husqvarna bought it. But allegedly, the bar I ordered is the exact replacement for that model. Should work. Paid a boatload of money to get it shipped here quickly. But hopefully that will work. So I need to get my little tushy out there. And I don't know why I'm putting all this right here, because I'm going to take the tractor. I need to take the tractor out there and get the log that I have out there cut up. So let's get this bad boy started. So already gonna lose, probably not be as productive as what I hoped for, but getting that saw operational for her is important. They're not super tech savvy. Oh. So I think she would have struggled to find that. And let's go get the wood splitter. Another beautiful Sunday morning. Absolutely gorgeous day out. A little chilly again. I think we got some more frost last night. Not to the magnitude of yesterday though. Let's see how well we can do this. Get that bad boy up. Little RPM. That was really bad. Too much. Of course, should be pretty good there. I'll turn the tractor off to be safe. We will pop this right there for just right now. And what I hate about this is it is so freaking awkward to get this. There we go. Come on. Oh. Oh. I do not ever enjoy doing that, but I got it. Holy crap. Can hear my dad putzing in to commence his driving in circles. Let's get out there, get some work going. Driving me nuts. So you've seen a ton of song footage already. Probably limit cutting up the trees for just one, splitting for a little bit, and then come back at you with the other stuff. I've seen a lot of that over the past few videos. Let's get out there though and get set up. It's pretty darn close to where the logs are going to be. Let's see if we can get this get this unhooked, kind of position it right there. I'll come back through, sneak on through, hook up the trailer, sneak on through here. So I'll fill the bucket first, then pull up and hit the trailer. But like I said, first though, I got to get, actually, yeah, I probably should just finish those 2 logs, cut up that smaller log, and then yeah, get these so then I can cut that one up. Yada yada. Okay. First off, let's get this unhooked. And this is so awkward. It's awkward because it's a tractor. Truck would have been easy peasy, but it's way easier. Because I'm bringing the tractor out here anyway. Oh, okay. This sucks. I don't know what's right there, but it does not want to go. Yeah, flat ground definitely makes a big difference. I feel like I'm trapped right now. There we go. Okay, now let's see if we can. Oh, come on. Good enough now. No, we don't settle there. Okay, let's get that down. Oh man. Okay. Let's flip this up. Remember. There. Success. Success. So then, be able to roll those. See if I can roll these 2 up. Just get these ready. Or out of the way. And then I'll circle back around, hook up the trailer, and then we'll pull the buckets right here. Yeah, I like that. So I believe, raise this up a little bit. Raise it. I might just have to come in from this way and then loop back around. Come on, let's see if I can do this. Not even close. Not even close. Let's try that again. Let's try again. Perfection. Perfection. On the third try. Wouldn't say it was perfection right away, but perfection nonetheless. And just moving because we're having a bad camera day today. Just don't feel. We're just struggling. Trying to keep it raw. You got to be able to see somewhat what I'm doing. I got to be able to see what I'm doing. Get it on the hitch. There we go. Let's get this locked too. So hopefully it doesn't flip back on me when I load her up. I have a lot of wood to put in there today. Bada boom. Perfect. All right, let's swing this thing around. Get a bucket ready to receive some wood. Dang it. I don't like that handle's there because you got to walk all the way that around or super awkwardly get up on it. Probably flooding the chainsaw right now because of the angle that I'm at. I don't understand how the hell. Yeah, there we go. There we go. The hell it was looking at. Perfection. Again. Woohoo. Ooh, spilling gas. Might as well take care of that right now. Let's get that up on here. Let's need that. We'll worry about that later. I know I said we would do that first. We're gonna worry about that later. I think it's so nasty. Let's get rid of this stuff. So we at least got a clean area to deal with. Let's see how far we can make it without needing to go get wreck gas. Guarantee we'll need to go get wreck gas though. And I think I just made the decision silently. My bows are dead. So I'm gonna go throw those on the charger and get some wreck gas. Give that time to charge. Keep my hearing from completely disappearing because it's starting to be effective for my work and doing stuff like this without hearing protection. So I'll be back. I'm not going to bore you with getting wreck gas at the one gas station closest to us that has it. Got the hearing protection ready. Got the wreck gas. Let's see if I can get to make sure this starts real quick. And then okay, so it at least starts, so I know we're good there. And then got some gloves that I left in my car from work that I got to return. Let's get this started. this one, that one, that one. We'd dump that in your truck. Ooh. So heavy. Doable. Save work, I guess, in the long run. Maybe, right? Does it all equal out? Even though this is smaller, it feels just about as heavy. It's 1:35 p.m. right now. Got this pulled up. Got this set up here. I think we got enough footage of sawing and cutting and splitting for now. 1:35. Let's see how long it takes to get the rest of these logs all quartered up and delivered. And when I'm on the last circular log, I'll start filming again. Wow, it's kicking my butt. We are 3 minutes shy of 2 full hours. I was able to get all the other logs split or quartered or thirded or eighths. And then this big old nasty thing I was able to get. So, want to clarify, like brand new chain, I still believe, and I will find out when I try the chain on a different, the sharpened chains on a different size wood. But what I was doing here is I would start and I would just angle the bar all the way down. And then I would flip, go to the other side, start, then angle the bar all the way down, and then work through the bottom. And for this big stuff here, that is the best that I have been able to come up with, and it was just flying through it. This is still the brand new blade that I put on 2 days ago. You can still see nice sharpness on the teeth. I think if I just quick ran a file through 3 times in every tooth, it'd be like a brand new chain. I feel like not using the winter blend bar oil has helped tremendously also. It just seems like this blade, or it's just the new bar oil I got, I didn't cheap out, it just seems to be ripping. I've read people like they will use used motor oil, or it doesn't matter whatever this is, it's helping. And I haven't kissed the dirt a single time, and I know that will kill the blade faster than anything, excuse me. But holy crap, what a long weekend, all for potentially 3 cord, okay? So 3 cord, even if I sold it for $1,200, let's say I did 3 hours. Let's figure it out real quick. I did 3 hours Friday. Let's say I did 6 total hours on it yesterday, and today I'm at 4, so 10, 13. Let's call it 15 total of my hours, and then $300. So, okay, so 15 of my time. So $300 through the wood. Let's figure 20 for gas and oil, and another 20 for depreciation or whatever. So now we're at 340, and I paid my nephew 40, so now we're at 380. Let's just round up to 400. So in a perfect world, sell it for 1,200. Now I have 800 left over. 800 divided by 15. Where are we at? Too tired to do it quickly. $53 an hour. Not too bad. So anyone that makes less than 53, I'm not saying that's a lot of money. This is $53 an hour for my time, away from work, away from my family. What I need to try to target is I want to get to $100 an hour. So this, oh yeah, crap. I haven't even finished. I haven't even split it yet. I just got it ready to split or stack it and put it out there. So I'm looking at $20 an hour. Yeah, $20 to $25 an hour, because it's going to take me hours and probably help from my nephew to get this stacked, and then I got to move it, yada, yada, yada. So right now, yeah, this is not sustainable, not profitable long term. But like I talked about, I realize that. This is sweat equity. This is to get some income flowing. But man, with the other business that we're going to do, if that performs, it's going to be critical that we can buy loads of logs that are the proper size, and we get some sort of automated sawmill here. Doesn't have to be a brand new one. Okay, that's where I'm at for right now. So I'm going to get this bucked up or quartered. I told you when I hit the last log, we'll watch the last log together, and then let's haul it away, get it dumped off, and then we got to clean up around here. Hopefully be in time for supper. All right, let's get going. I just did one more log. I'm gassed. I'm exhausted. Realize I've been going at this. Realize I've been going at this all week. And here's what we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of them is too narrow to split. Yep. Bagging it. And I don't feel bad about it. It is officially 3:55. I'm good. So, as I say in all of them, please give a like, a share, and subscribe, and we'll see you after the next one, on the next one.